Welcome back to Crypto Front. This is the front line where we are fighting for financial freedom. We are going to be taking a look at the JASMY price section one more time. We can actually see that we are having pretty much a decent day right across the market, and JASMY is up 5%. That's great, but we want to be taking a look at the daily time frame here. We are also going to be covering what is happening immediate short term, as well as our general trend here for JASMY. What levels should you actually be paying attention to, and all that great stuff, right? So if that sounds interesting, let's start here with the daily time frame. I've mentioned already that we have got strong support here by around 2.8 cents, and it's really nice for us to see a bounce happening just as we had anticipated right there. But should I go maybe here to the 4-hourly time frame, or maybe even the 1-hourly time frame? Let me quickly just mention this. I'm super bullish here on JASMY. I really expect price targets as high as something like 54 cents, and the best case scenario will be somewhere around $1.20. We have done extensive research on that, showing you all the possible charts that JASMY has been following right there. But here, what I expect for JASMY to do, I don't really expect a V-shaped recovery. I expect JASMY to be bound by these two lines that you are seeing here, one on top and one down below here. So the exact levels would be right around 3.4 cents, 3.5 cents, and the lower targets are around obviously 2.8, 2.6 cents here for JASMY. So I expect the price to be playing right around this range for maybe the coming 2 weeks or something like that. Just, you know, building that more momentum for the next leg up to show right there for JASMY. I think that will actually be something that is much more healthier. We just want those RSIs to reset a little bit, and we can start a new wave with even greater strength right there. So if we go back to the daily time frame, I still expect JASMY to continue its bullish trend, just as I was mentioning. But I mean, the EMA rebounds are actually showing us something that is a little bit much more interesting. If we look back here on JASMY, the last 2 or 3 times that we have had a ranging price action like this here, we have seen that it has of course been wishy-washy with the EMA rebounds. You know, you are breaking them to the upside down here. I mean, it's just haphazard a little bit, right? No clear trend. But obviously when we are breaking above the EMA rebounds, we can see that we are maintaining just, you know, staying above even the highest, or, you know, the most top exponential moving average that we are seeing here. So right at where JASMY is sitting here, we have held those rebounds pretty much well, but I expect it to be a little bit choppy again one more time. So that's the range that I was talking about. Yes, we'll still be seeing you know, maybe in a day we are up 15%, we are up 10%, but still it doesn't mean that we are out of the range just yet, right? So in crypto, yes, our ranges are a little bit wide. For example, you can see here from 2.8 cents to, you know, 3.5 cents, you're looking at something like a 30%. So if this happens in a day, one can actually be convinced that we are out of the woods just yet. But this is where I'm saying that we may have got some time to work on these ones a little bit more. We have got the same kind of price action here too, which you are seeing that it was actually more of a range before we had a huge breakout. So I'm waiting for a huge breakout to show here for JASMY, but before that, I'm expecting some kind of sideways action here for the coming 2 weeks or something like that. I mean, pretty much we have the same thing here, although this one is not very much clear cut, but you can see that we were also ranging here. Let me quickly just go ahead and try to highlight. We have got this whole range here, and within that, we are seeing that we are just going up down of those EMA rebounds right there. But we also have got some encouraging signs, to be honest with you, from maybe the RSI here. We are still seeing that we are now beginning to print some higher lows. At the same time, we have gone to that range which we usually say that if you go down to 40, and if you want to be maintaining your bullish trajectory, you just have to hold 40 on the RSI. So we are doing that here with JASMY. That's great. Another encouraging thing obviously is the MACD, in which you can see that we are awaiting a bullish cross here, right? So those ones are usually welcome, and JASMY, for one reason or the other, happens to respect these ones, especially if the cross is coming below 0. It's usually something that is powerful. So I'm bullish on JASMY, still pretty much very bullish. The trajectory is clear. I've shown you the Velo price chart, I've shown you the Ethereum, the Cardano price chart. They are all pointing to JASMY leading something that is very important for this bull cycle. We have got Fibonacci extension levels right around you know, 53 cents. We have 86 cents, and then finally we have something like $1.20. So the $1.20, I'm not really sure if that is going to be possible for this bull cycle, but something like 53 cents is something that is very much possible for me. So yeah, we have got the good signs here. I think it's just a matter of time. I'm not going to be rushing or something like that. I'm going to give the price a bit more time just to accumulate more, go sideways a little bit, chop, and then eventually we are going to have that breakout. But I think generally we are looking good. BTC is also looking to get some kind of recovery from its massive structure here. The total 3 is also looking like it's going to be recovering. I think I can show you that, but maybe here I can't find it. But you know, I think I've made myself clear where exactly I am sitting here. And if JASMY pulls down a little bit, maybe to something like, you know, 2.8 cents here, we are buying. If it goes right around 3.5, maybe we are looking to take a short position there, right? Just, you know, for the price to reset itself within that trading range right there. So just remember, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't be buying or selling anything because of anything I say, alright? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I would have to see you on the very next one. Take really, really good care of yourselves.